Hello everyone, how you all doing? I hope everybody is doing so well. So let's do this quick unboxing. Today I'm just going to braid my hair. Not today, I'm gonna braid it tomorrow. So this is what I got, the hair rack, and I found out that it was too short for me, so I already have this short one already. We are going to add a short one to the medium one to lengthen it. So this medium one just to lengthen it because I want it a little bit taller. Yeah, so this is the short one and the medium one. So we are going to add a cute one on top of this one to make it a little bit taller. So this is it. This is not going anywhere. It is firm and steady. Okay, nice and very strong. So this is what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to start preparing my hair for my small knotless box braid for this Xmas. So this is the end result, looking so good and I love it. Yes, so this is what I'm looking for. Thank God for my baby boy. Ooh, I love it. So my hair is already prepped. This hair rack here is a saver. I love it, love it, love it. If you're about to braid your hair and you don't have one of these, you are missing a lot. It'll save you a whole time. And yeah, it's very, very nice. So my hair is already washed, shampooed and deep conditioned and slightly blown up. I did slightly blown my hair. So now let's start. This is not a tutorial. This is definitely not a tutorial. I just want to show you from time to time my process. That's all I'm gonna do in this video. It's not a tutorial. So as you can see, it's very nice and neat. And also I'm going for a small knotless box braid, and I'm doing this all by myself. It wasn't easy, and I'm going for a knee length. So yeah, going for a knee length. But this hair I'm using is 26 inches and I want to go for knee length, meaning I have to add more hair to it to lengthen the hair. So yeah, excuse me, looking very beautiful, very neat and nice. So this is the length, but this is not what I'm going for. I'm going to add more length to this to make it more longer. So let me show you exactly how I do it. I'm going to fast forward it because this is not a tutorial. And this is the gel I'm using, the Black Castle Miracle Gel and the Shine and Jam Gel. So I know very well, but I know everybody know how to do this, so I'm just not going to waste your time by showing you everything step by step. I already have a video about how I braided my tiny little knotless box braid already on my channel, so if you're interested you can go and check it out. Okay, if you watch it carefully, they are all not equal. You know, if you are doing this all by yourself, it's not that easy at all. So some are a little bit bigger than the other, but you know, I really don't care about it. I really don't care about it. All I want was to get it done. So anyway, later on you see that I couldn't finish this hair because we had an important place to go. So I had to, create some idea first to complete the process. At least make sure the lines are neat and straight. That's all you need, but not perfect. I'm moving forward, so this is where I am now, and all this is day one. Because of that, I had to warn everybody around me in the house that I don't want any disturbances. So I had to make sure there is food there. But even at that, of course, I have to break from time to time. I have to go and do this and do that. Oh my God, it's a whole lot of work. But anyway, my hair is looking great. I love it. It's very neat and I love how it turns out. It's so pretty. Just look at it. So nice. So let's continue. So here I just want to slow down a little bit for you guys to see exactly how I'm doing it. So all I'm going to do is to just add more hair to it to lengthen it up. So what I do is I'm going to take this. Looking good and juicy. The next day, I'm gonna continue, but I couldn't get a chance. I am the type when I start something, I always want to make sure to finish it. So because we have to go somewhere important, I couldn't finish it, and I wanted to take all this thing out, but they stopped me. So let's see the outcome. Oh my God, let me show you the length, okay? I think I'm going to take all this hair out. I am not feeling the hair anymore, but it's so cute and nice. See? It's very long, all the way to my knee. I don't think you can really see it. Let me bring it down a little bit. Yes. So can you see that? This is the length. Very long. Very long. This is my butt, and this hair past my knee. It's very long. Yes, I think I want to continue. I want to continue. Very, very nice. This hair is so lightweight, like very, very lightweight. But anyway, I had to create this immediately to solve all the problems. It's very long. It's so long. So now this is all I could do to save my ass because we have somewhere to attend. This hair is very long, but super lightweight. I love it so much. It's extremely long for me, and it doesn't weigh your neck down, not like the previous KNOTLESS hair. This spectra fiber hair is what you all need. My absolute honest opinion, this hair is too lightweight, and I love it so much. Try it out and love it. Try using this hair and you'll never be disappointed. Never ever be disappointed. Just a good spectral fiber for braiding hair. It's absolutely what I need. It's very lightweight. This hair doesn't itch at all. It's very comfortable. Later, I'm about to take my hair off. Yes, I'm just so happy. I can just create a hairstyle today. The next day I'll take everything off. I don't know what is wrong with me, but yeah, who cares anyway? So yeah, I'm taking all my hair off, and I'm going to shampoo my hair, deep condition, and then yeah, that'll be all for today. Love you, stay safe, Merry Christmas to you all. Mwah.